How to fix Bluetooth cutting on Poco M8. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, click power button and volume up button at the time, and you will see restart phone. After restart phone, you will see your problem is solved. If it not solved, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on additional settings. After click on additional settings, click on developer option. After click on developer option, scroll down and search media settings from here. You will see media DRM settings is here. So you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update your software latest, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix Bluetooth cutting on Poco M8. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.